Good day, children. So the other day we saw in this lesson, we are not afraid to die if we all can be together. So in this we saw that on 23rd December they set for sail. Means the captain, his wife and 2 children. They set for sail. And then for 2 days the weather was quite well and it was very pleasant for them. They sailed very nicely. But on 25th, the weather became atrocious. It was becoming quite worse, quite bad. The strong wind was blowing. And then they celebrated the Christmas tree over there. And then on 1st of January, no change was there. The weather was same. The wind was blowing very fast and the waves were rising high. Then on 2nd January, they thought the weather will be better, but no, it became worse. And then on the 3rd January, they tried to control the ship and it was good that they controlled it, and they controlled it by pumping water outside and by putting canvas and making it repairable and everything they could do. So here we'll read from 3rd of January. They pumped out water for 2 hours, at least they sat for a while to rest, and before that on 1st and 2nd they did not rest at all. On 3rd they sat for 2 hours and rested, and they controlled the water. They tried to control it. They pumped out water, but still the water was coming inside. The captain went and he put canvas and everything he fitted over there, but still the water was coming inside. And there were few partitions in that. And then we had survived for 15 hours since wave hit. When the wave began, after that for 15 hours they tried to save themselves and they were quite safe. The wave walker wouldn't hold together long enough for us to reach Australia, and they had decided that they'll reach Australia, but they couldn't reach Australia because of the weather. I checked the charts, then he saw the charts, he calculated everything. Then he found that few hundred kilometers away from that particular place where they were, there were 2 small islands. And one of them was Isle Amsterdam. It was a French scientific base. And he thought that these small places, these small islands, if he is going to get in the middle, then it will be better for them to have rest over there, to repair the ship and then move forward. So after that, they wanted the wind to calm down so that they may put the sail on top and the ship should move on further. But the engine was not working properly. On January 4, they had the first meal, because for 2 days they were continuously working. They did not have meal. And then on January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping water out from the boat, they reached a few centimeters away. And the water was coming inside, but it was slower. And then they wanted to put the mast, but they couldn't put that. The pressure was damaging the section of the hull part. The part that was damaged, the water was trying to damage it more and to come inside. And they thought that the 2 islands that were nearby, so it will be better for them that they'll reach over there fast, and then their life would be saved. And then when he was thinking all these things, Mary brought corned beef, cracker biscuits, and then they had their meal. And then at about 4 o'clock, black clouds began to built up behind. Means the black clouds started gathering, and within an hour or so, again the sea started. Waves in the sea, they started becoming bigger and bigger. They reached few knots. Knots means as we measure the land in meters, kilometers, in the same way water is measured through knots. So they moved few knots, and then 40 knots at least. So the sea became worse. The waves started becoming higher and higher. The weather continued to deteriorate, and then the weather was becoming worst. Then early in the morning on 5, the situation was very bad. On 5th morning, dawn, D-A-W-N, dawn, the situation became desperate. It was very dangerous, and they were not able to think that whether they are going to live or die. They did not know. When I went to comfort the children, and he knew that the end had come, so he went to the children's room, and then he asked, "Are you okay?" So John, means Jonathan, the son, he said, "Daddy, are we going to die?" So when the son asked him, "Are we going to die?" So the father tried to console him, and he said, "No, don't worry about it. Daddy is trying to do everything." Then he went on to say, "But Daddy, we are not afraid to die. If we can all be together, see you, Mummy, sister and I. When all four are together, so I am not at all afraid to die." So these lines of his son is the heading of this lesson. And the father, he did not have any words to speak. He could not say anything to him. And he left the cabin without saying anything. And then he again started repairing the things, the damaged things he was trying to repair. And then he found sea anchors of heavy nylon ropes. The anchors were tied with the nylon ropes, and 22 liters of plastic barrel was filled with paraffin. That evening, Mary and I sat together. And then on the same evening, means 5th, they were sitting together, both husband and wife, and they were holding their hands together. And the ship was bringing more and more water inside through the broken area. We felt the end was near, and both of them were sitting and thinking that the end had come. But Wave Walker rode out the storm, but they were lucky enough that the boat came out of the storm, and by the morning of January 6, the wind stopped blowing. On January 6, the wind stopped blowing, so they were quite satisfied and they were quite relieved. I tried to get a reading on the sextant. Then he went to the chart room to read the charts, maps. I worked on wind speed, changes of course, drift, current, in an effort to calculate position. So whatever things they had faced, the current, the drift and the course of wind, everything he calculated, and then he calculated exactly where they were. The best I could determine was that we were somewhere 150,000 kilometers of ocean looking for a 65 kilometer wide land. And then he calculated and found out that they were away from 65 kilometer wide island. While I was thinking, Sue moved painfully, joined me. And when he was standing in the chart room calculating the things and all, and he was thinking about the island that he was going to reach very soon, so his daughter came in and she was walking painfully. She was having pain. The left side of her head was now very swollen, and her blackened eye narrowed to silt, and her head was badly swollen up, and she had black means the blood clotted near the eye. She gave me a card she had made, and then she handed over a small card that she had prepared while they were in danger. On the front she had drawn caricatures of Mary and me with the words, and on top of it she drew the picture of her mother and her father. Here are some funny people. And then she wrote, here are some funny people. Did they make you laugh? And then, did they make you laugh? She wrote that, I laughed a lot as well. And then she said, I laughed a lot. Inside the message, oh, how I love you both. Inside the card, she had written, I love you both. So this card is to say thank you and let's hope for the best. So she thanked her parents and said, hoping for the best and good luck to you all. Somehow we had to make it. So somehow we have managed to come across the great storm that we had been facing. So this will be the second part of the lesson. First part we saw that how they prepared for the ship and for the journey, and they started the journey and the two crewmen were there with them, and how they fell in disaster, and then they started working on the ship that was causing desertious to them. And so these are the points that are from the beginning till this portion that I have taught you. So hope you must have understood, and very soon I'll be giving you the homework for note making, because you have to practice the note making a lot. It carries means at least 8 marks or so, and your situation will be quite strengthened if you learn to write and do the note making, because the reading portion, that is of 12 marks and this is of 8 marks. So your 20 marks will be you'll definitely get it. So prepare and do practice of the note making. As you practice if you want to learn your bike or four-wheeler, whatever you want to learn, then you practice a lot. Or you want to dance, you practice a lot. In the same way, you have to practice this to secure more marks. So that's all, children, for today. Good day and good luck to you all.